In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change username in Zoho Mail. By the end, you'll know how to update the name that appears to recipients when you send an email. This is often called your display name. It doesn't change your actual email address or your account login. It simply updates the name people see in their inbox, which is great for polishing your professional identity or aligning your sender name across teams and devices. First, log into Zoho Mail using either a web browser or the mobile app. Use whichever you are most comfortable with. The steps are the same in spirit. Once you are in your mailbox, make sure you are signed into the correct account if you manage more than one. You'll be making a quick change in settings, and it only takes a moment. Next, look to the top right of the screen and click the gear icon to open Settings. This is where Zoho groups all your mail preferences. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Send Mail As. This area controls how your outgoing messages identify you to recipients. If you use multiple sender addresses or aliases, you'll see them listed here. If you use just one, that's fine too. You'll still make the change in this same place. Now, click on your email address within the Send Mail As section to open its details. You'll see a field called Display Name. This is the name that appears in the From line when someone receives your email. Keep it clear and professional. For example, you might choose your full name or your name plus a role or department. Avoid adding sensitive information, unnecessary punctuation, or anything that could look spammy. Also remember, this is separate from your email signature. So if your signature includes your name, you can keep it consistent there later. When you are happy with the new display name, click Update to save the change. Zoho Mail will apply it to future emails you send. If you had a compose window open before updating, close it and start a new one to see the refreshed name. Replies to old threads will also show the updated name going forward. Your email address, folders, and messages won't be affected, only the name shown to recipients. That's it. Thanks for watching.